funeral, or cremation expenses. It is specifically designed for the people on fixed income or Social Security. Would you like to learn more about it?
Yes.
To qualify you for the plan, are you between the age of 40 and 80?
Yes.
Say that again, please.
Yes, I am.
I can bring my product specialist on the line, and he can give you more information about it, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. My name is Chris. How you doing?
Doing good.
Great. Well, this call is about new state-regulated final expense whole life insurance plans. These plans are designed to cover 100% cost of your funeral, burial, cremation, any other debt or obligation that you may leave behind. God forbid if we die tonight, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. These plans are for whole life that will never expire on you, and the rates will never go up regardless of your age or health condition. Before I proceed further, may I know how old are you?
I'm 51.
51.
Uh-huh.
You make your own financial decisions?
Yes.
Perfect. Alright. So a lot of people use this coverage for three main reasons, like burial, cremation, or they want to leave some money for their loved ones as a piece of cake. So you want to leave some money for your loved ones, or you want to go for burial or cremation type coverage?
No, I want to take it with me.
Sorry?
I want to take it with me. It's in my will.
You want to take it with you?
Uh-huh, it's in my will.
Please leave your message for 4233667.
Yes, this is Long John, and I work for Silver. And I was just wanting to invite you over for some chicken tomorrow night if you got the time. Just holler back at me and let me know, okay? Bye-bye. Hello?
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 Yeah, hi. My name is Daniel from Healthcare Benefits. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking.
You're welcome.
This call is about Medicare. Do you have Medicare Part A and Part B?
I think so.
Alright. And are you in a nursing home or you're living with yourself, like your family, or you live alone?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
Are you in a nursing home or you are living with yourself, like your family?
No, I'm not in a nursing home, no.
Oh, so nice of you. And how old are you right now? What is your age?
I'm sorry, but you need to press 1 for English because I can't understand you.
I said, how old are you? What is your age?
What is
How
it?
younger you are?
54.
54. Alright. I mean, it's 65 to 80. So you are not eligible.
Okay, well, I'm 71.
How next?
I'm 71.
Alright. 71? Alright. And what is your zip code was there? What is your zip code?
3074913.
I need your 5 digits, sir. 5 digits. 30749, right?
3079413.
Your zip code.
Yeah.
5 digit zip code. I need 5 digits.
Oh,
It's 7 digits. 5 digits.
307913. That's 5, ain't it?
It's 6, sir. 307913 is 6 digits. I need 5 digits.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Your zip code. In
Sure.
which state you are living, your postal code.
307491.
30749.
1.
It's 6 digits.
Well, take one of them
I
off.
need 5 digits. Uh-huh.
Just take one of them off.
Alright, it's 30749, right?
1 9.
30749?
9 1 3. 307 941.
Alright, it's invalid zip code. I just need your 5-digit zip code over here. Your 5-digit zip code.
Okay.
Do you remember your zip code?
Try OU 812.
0812.
OU 812.
I need 5 digits.
Well, how many was that?
Numerical 5 digits.
How many was it?
Numbers. I need 5 numbers.
Numbers? 1,
4.
1 through 5? Huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
5-digit zip code.
That's what I'm trying to give you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 area code.
Your zip code over there. In which state you are living right now?
What state am I in? Cuba.
Uh-huh.
I'm Cuban.
You are in Tennessee, right? Tennessee, right?
I'm in Cuban, Australia.
Alright. So take care. Have a nice day.
The what? I got this a great time.